Welcome back to our channel, viewers. Hope you guys are having a great day. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can copy and share your TikTok's profile link. So what the profile link means is, so let's say somebody shares their profile link in TikTok. If you click on that link, it's gonna take you straight up to their profile. All right, it's basically like sharing your YouTube channel's link, but it's a bit different because in TikTok there's no such thing as copy link. You need to go to like a setting for you guys to get your profile link. All right, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can get your profile link in TikTok. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. First step, you open your TikTok and go to your profile over here. Once you're in your profile, you click on edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, over here where it says tiktok.com/ad which you given, if you click on it, it's gonna copy my user profile. So once I go back from over here, now wherever I post this, or like whoever click on that link, they can come to my profile. So that's how you guys can copy and share your TikTok profile link. I just showed you how to copy it, but to share it, you can share it wherever you want. Facebook Messenger, doesn't matter. You just need to paste it. Once somebody clicks on that link, they'll come over here on my TikTok page. So that's how this feature works. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel app tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye, until then, have a nice day.